Hello, welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Supplier Pricelist data loader. This data loader has been designed especially for QAD pricing specialists who manage a large number of supplier price lists. You'll find this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage pricing details. Then, quickly and safely, you can upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Supplier Pricelist Data Loader can help you manage your supplier price lists with greater efficiency and accuracy. Supplier Pricelist Loader, as all 32Soft data loaders, is designed as a familiar Excel spreadsheet. In the header, we see filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data to QAD. To get started, we must first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by price list, product line, effective date, currency, amount type, and item ranges. If we leave filter fields open, all price list records will be downloaded. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. All 32Soft data loaders use native QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. Let's go ahead and log in. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records according to our search criteria. This loader displays the data fields of 1.10.2.1 Supplier Price List Maintenance menu from QAD, as well as the item site, unit of measure, and item list price from 1.4.1 and standard GL cost for the item site from 1.4.18. The prices for price lists type D discount, M markup, and P price are represented as delimited lists of quantity price pairs. If we want to maintain a specific price list, we can clear the sheet by selecting the Clear button and then enter specific search parameters in the header. So let's enter a price list, set the effective date to today's date, and hit the Download button. And now we see only the specific price list records that match the search criteria we specified. Fields highlighted in orange are key fields. Changing the values in these fields will create a new price list record. Gray fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the database. Green fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the value in these columns. For this demonstration, we're going to increase the price value by 10% across the board and add one new item to the price list. Here we'll see a very useful function. We do not have to change the new price on all the lines one by one. Instead, we can simply enter the increase percentage into the increase column, and the data loader tool will automatically calculate the new price. Since this is a standard Excel spreadsheet, we have all the functionality of Excel, so we simply copy-paste data from one cell to the others. As we see, the new price column reflects our 10% increase. Now let's create a new record for a new item. We can copy the information from the last line in the spreadsheet and simply change only the fields that are different for this new record instead of typing all the fields manually. After entering the new item number, we can now create a list type price instead of a price type price. We can also update the new price field. As this will be a list price, we simply enter the price value into the new price field. Once we have reviewed the data, we can hit the Upload button to upload the data into QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains errors, as we see here. As with all of our data loaders, Supplier Pricelist Loader validates data in the cells against QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we simply close the status window, and we must correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Any cell with an error is highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. Again, we must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's see if there are any other errors we must fix. And no, there are no other errors. So let's try to upload our data again. And this time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can now download again to verify that our information was uploaded. And we can see all information uploaded successfully to QAD. Here is our new item, and the prices are increased by 10%. As demonstrated, this is a helpful productivity tool that enables you to conveniently manage massive supplier price lists from easy-to-use, convenient Excel spreadsheets. And you are able to upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Supplier Price List Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.